And we are live. Let me just make sure that we are live. Hang on. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. We are 1 minute ahead of time, so that gives me time to tweet and stuff. You see, I'm thinking ahead now. I am gonna get in so much trouble playing this game. So much copyright. I think I already got a copyright strike from just this moment. The logo and the music. I don't care. I mean, I do care. I do care. But this is something I really, really love, and I want to show it off. This is such a beautiful game. I only finished this once back in 2009, and let's do it again. I only have 1 hour of... Hang on, be right back, be right back. We are good to go. We are good to go. Alright, the thing is, I'm really worried about the music of this game. That's why I keep pressing start each time the cutscene starts playing. Not the cutscene, the music. It's gonna get me in so much trouble. But anyway, take a sip of wine. I'm only here for an hour or something. Or an hour or so, because I really have to be in so many places today. But I'll need to find some time to stream. I love streaming! Let's get going. Alright, like I said, I finished this game a couple of years ago, 2009 actually, when this came out. And since then I created new profiles on my PlayStation, so I think it's gonna show up as new career. There's no save points because it's on another profile, I think. So I'm gonna start earning trophies again. Fantastic. This game is so good. Casual. I'm an experienced Ghostbuster now. I'm not gonna say bring it on. I'm an experienced Ghostbuster. Let's go! Copyrighted stuff. It's gonna kick my butt.
Are you troubled by strange noises in the night?
Do you experience feelings of dread in your basement or attic?
Have you or your family actually seen a spook, specter, or ghost?
If the answer is yes, then don't wait another minute.
Just pick up the phone and call the professionals.
Call the Ghostbusters. We're ready to believe you.
Franchises available soon. Call for details.
Whoa! Russell, hey man.
You near the East Wing?
Yep.
But by the new Ghoster exhibit?
Yeah, why?
There's something headed your way.
Wait. I hear something. I'm gonna take a look.
Want to hear something really creepy? I was reading about Shandor, the guy who donated most of the Gozer stuff. He was into the occult, supernatural. Weird dude.
Well, why don't we talk about it some other time? Any other time. Hey, you can't be in here. Stop!
Strange in your neighborhood. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. Is your haunting an apparition, poltergeist, phantasm, wraith, banshee, demon, spectre, tortured soul? What? No, we do not summon dead family members and catch them, so you can ask the combination to the safe. Yeah, well, same to you, pal.
Hey, it's the new cadet! Welcome aboard!
This might be a little dangerous.
Great. Danger is our life.
We'll start at 50% capacity. That should keep any burning or tissue damage to a minimum.
Hey, if you're gonna burn any tissue, do it to the new kid. You can't use Ray. Our mortgage is in his name.
I guess he's right. What's your name again, kid?
No names, Ray. I don't want to get too attached to this kid. You know, just in case. You remember what happened to the last guy.
Look
He's
at me,
tuned
I'm a
and ready to go.
Ghostbuster.
You may feel a little tingle.
I'm all set up.
Good. We've perfected an extensive and rigorous training regimen that will teach you all your equipment's basic functions.
It takes some time to achieve master throw skill, but it's definitely worth the effort.
Was that us?
I don't think so.
Ray?
Had to be some sort of psi energy pulse. Substantial. A significant collected and centralized necromantic convulsion, level 7 or more.
Agreed. We need EMF measurement checks now.
I know the answer, but I'm gonna ask anyway. Is a level 7, whatever, bad or very bad?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I would say...
Let me guess. It's a 7.
Let's just say we're about to get real busy.
Slimer's out.
And that is not the fun kind of getting busy. Is it, Ray?
Look out! Slimer's escaped again!
No, wait, come back.
Ah, Ghostbusters! Follow Egon and Ray. I will. I just want to check out New York City from here. Ah, so cool. Oh man, we're playing some Ghostbusters. I am the 5th Ghostbuster now. There's a lot of references if I walk around here from the movies, like look at that, look at that, look at
Let's
that.
move.
I can't really aim, but that is the end screen for the original Ghostbuster. It says congratulation. There's so many references. And this is a 2009 game. It looks good for a 2009 game. It's
Missing an opportunity.
missing an opportunity apparently, but there's so much stuff I want to look around at. So here there was the toaster from the Ghostbuster movie, Interactive.
You have 7 new messages.
I need to get the subtitles up, hang on.
Slime!
No, what's this? Settings. Audio and video, I need to get the subtitles on. There we go. On. There we go, let's go.
I went that way.
I
Follow
want to
him.
play some video games though. Can I play? Seriously?
What?
Oh man, this game. Let's go down. Can I go back up again? I can, and I can do the slide again.
The employee handbook suggests you
You
check
see,
out
I
all
got
significant
the trophy
alerts.
already. Whee! Alright, so Slimy got out. Let's go. There's Slimy.
There it is. It seems oddly drawn to the containment grid.
He's been fascinated with it ever since you added the viewer to the unit. Okay, easy now, cadet. I'll talk you through this. Use the proton stream to get his attention.
So R2 to blast, and I need. Okay, I am gonna destroy the containment unit. I know I am. There we go.
No, not the containment unit. That's some highly sensitive equipment you're disintegrating there, kid. Oops,
They're
you let
escaping the
one out.
containment unit.
That's my fault. I was fine-tuning the interspatial gasket this afternoon. I'll fix it. You two get those ghosts back.
He went into the sub-basement, and his escapee friend went with him. Come on, kid. We got a job for you. Taking the right precautions, Slimer's harmless. More or less. Not sure about the other guy, though. Okay, let's go get him then.
Let's go.
Oh, and don't sweat the containment unit. It's easy to get excited your first time out with the proton stream.
Oh, cool.
Egon will fix it in no time.
The proton stream.
Now, first and foremost, before things get out of hand, you want to get to know your proton pack. It can be your best friend out there in the field. Everything you need to know is displayed on the pack itself. Here's where you keep an eye on your current physical condition. The more green that's on the bar, the more damage you can sustain and still stay on your feet. This bar indicates your pack's heat level. When it gets to the top, you'll want to vent the pack and keep it from shorting out and resetting. For the most part, capturing a ghost is pretty straightforward. We break it into 3 basic steps: sap them, cap them, and trap them. The first step is blasting a ghost to sap its energy.
What's he doing? Oh, he's eating. Let's get him, buddy. Let's get him.
You're a wicked shot, newbie! See that overlay on the ghost? It indicates the current accumulation of a ghost's PKE. The more you disperse, the weaker it becomes. Pack's moving into the red, cadet, vent it!
Oh, R1. They vented with R1. Okay. Okay. That's good to know. I haven't played this game Present doing damage to them. Ah, he's fast. Stupid Slimer.
Ooh, we lost Slimer. There it is! Ugh, and I thought Slimer was disgusting.
Let's catch him.
All right, you've got it good and winded. Next stage, capture. You can project the capture stream or wrangler manually using this control.
Capture
On the
stream.
other hand,
Alright,
the pack
so
will detect when a ghost is
this?
sufficiently weakened and auto-select
okay.
the capture stream
I
setting.
need to get him.
Get in there and throw a capture stream on that tub of goo.
Did I get him? I got him.
Fantastic, you got it! As soon as your ghost is in your
Where's the
capture
trap?
stream,
Oh, I can do
the
it
slam meter
slam.
begins to
Okay.
slowly charge. If you want to accelerate
Where's
the
the
slam
trap?
meter charge, you can wrangle or counter-wrangle the ghost at the end of the line. Here's how you do that. Watch the ghost. When he makes a dash in one direction, you pull the string quickly in the other. Give it a shot! Good work! They hate it when you throw the capture stream on them. Make sure your pack slam meter is charged. Let him have it. Ow! That's brutal! We did run a background check on you, right? Now we can move to stage 3, trap them. You're gonna need some place to put them.
Alright, we deployed the trap like this.
Just right! See the beacon signal coming from the closed trap?
Okay.
That helps you find it when
Alright,
things
here
get
we go.
crazy.
Come
When
on.
a trappable ghost moves into proximity, the trap will open automatically
There
and
you go,
project
get in.
the trap cone.
Get in the trap.
Just got
Get in
through
the
it.
trap.
Just like charging up the slam meter, but faster.
Gotcha.
Very nice, cadet. You've got some real promise. Oh, and always remember to retrieve your track.
Did you get them?
We're batting 500. Slimer slipped out. Our cadet bagged his first one, though. A very nasty customer. Oh, and you've got to be very careful about crossing the streams. In a word, don't do it.
Seriously.
Stings like the Dickens, too.
Hey, how come this mump gets all the new stuff?
He's our new experimental equipment technician.
He gets a cool title, too?
It means he gets to carry around a bunch of untested, extremely dangerous hardware that, if not handled correctly, could blow him somewhere into New Jersey.
Oh, this knucklehead lugs around our very dangerous prototype hardware that could potentially blow us into New Jersey. Thanks. Keep the title, kid. It'll work hard for you. Scooter, we need to go. Let's roll.
But first, I'm gonna quickly check around the station. It's the only time I get to look around. This is the only chance I get.
Hello, Ghostbusters. Oh, hi.
Look at that actual picture from the movie.
Yes.
How cool. I can't equip the... Look at that, it's Gozer.
I
Not
don't
Gozer,
think
what's
so.
his name?
No.
Vigo.
No.
The screams of the damned call
The
for
second
you.
movie, how cool. Does he say something else?
The screams of the damned call for you. Prepare yourselves for the inevitable.
Oh, cool. What else? Ah, so awesome. Janine, come on, talk to me, babe. No? Look busy, Janine, at least. Look like you're doing something. Ah, Louis Tully's desk, how cool. Poor guy, he quit now. That's his uniform. Okay, let's go.
Where to, Ray?
The Sectel. It's the first place that little spud will go.
Right. Back to its initial manifestation point.
They've got a real good buffet.
It is a great one. When Winston returns from the opera, extend an invitation to join us at our table at the Sedgwick. Hey, you're up, buddy. Training will be on the job tonight. Try not to destroy too many Manhattan landmarks.
There we go.
That disgusting green blob is up on the 12th floor again, wreaking havoc. I demand a refund right now.
Sir, if you check the fine print on our invoice...
Invoices.
Right, invoices. You'll see that your warranty on rehaunting expired some time ago. You should have taken the extended service agreement.
So cool, let's go.
I'm getting some interesting PKE spikes here. Disturbances don't seem to be exclusive to the 12th floor. I'd like the chance to look around the building a little more.
Good. Dig up what you can. That little greenie shouldn't cause us too much trouble.
Well, hello. You're perfectly safe now, Miss. The Ghostbusters are here.
Back off, loser. Never gonna happen.
That approach rarely works with me. I'll show you why later.
Picking up ladies with Peter Venkman.
All right, Ace. Get ready.
Dr. Stantz, if you'd do the honors.
Proud to, Dr. Venkman.
Part of our settlement with the city, proton packs must remain off in heavily populated public areas.
And in close quarters. It minimizes the city's liabilities and satisfies the restraining order the maid here had put on us.
World we live in today, you shoot a proton stream of highly charged particles at someone, they get all Sue happy. It's him! Nice. Now we got another plaintiff.
Can we go this way? Oh.
What the? That looked painful. Are you okay? That way.
Rusty Bones! Staying puffed indeed. We are gonna hunt down Staying Puffed soon. I hope I get to do it in this stream session, but yeah. Right now we're...
Watch it!
Whoa.
Contact!
Whoa.
Ah! Yow! Jeez!
We're burning daylight,
Let's get outta
Pilgrim.
here.
Can we get out of here?
You see, if I damage stuff, I get charged for it apparently. $451 apparently so far worth of damages. I need to be careful. So yeah, hopefully we're just hunting down Slimer for now. Just because he got away.
All right, showtime. We wear him out, then we capture him. That's what your proton stream is for.
Gotcha!
on, let's go! Peter!
Nah, I've seen this one already. Know how it ends. You two have fun, though. I'll cover the elevators and escort any ladies safely to their rooms.
Yeah, okay.
Can I do the same?
And this signal looks just like your elusive little targeted entity.
Can I do the same? Can I hang out with Peter as well, picking up the ladies? Brother Sam, hello, welcome! Welcome, thank you for stopping by.
Stop staring at me. You're creepier
No,
than
I
that
want to follow
ghost.
you. You're
Go
gonna
down
go with the
Ray.
ladies. I want to see what you're up to, how you're gonna pick up ladies. He doesn't like it, I'm following him.
You're making the right career move, believe me, but also missing a great time with old Doc's dads down
Now
there.
the door's not gonna let me.
Stop staring at me. You're creepier than that ghost. Go down with Ray.
He doesn't want me following him. Come on, man. I heard you're good with the ladies. I want to see how you do it.
You're making the right career move, believe me, but also missing a great time with old Doc's dads down there.
Hanging on by a thread. What do you mean he's hanging on by a thread?
Stop staring at me.
You see,
creepier
you know
than
why
that
Proto
ghost.
Sam is
Go
here?
down with
You
Ray.
know why Proto Sam is here today? Hmm? You know why? Because there's proton packs and proton streams. So he proto belongs here. And it makes an awesome sound, the proton
Meter will
pack.
flash and buzz when it detects a potential signal.
Yeah, it's Ghostbusters, man. Thank you so much for stopping by, man.
The paragoggles are linked directly to your active PKE meter. This lets you see otherwise undetectable phenomena while you track it. Ghost trails, object auras, all kinds of cool events. Now when the center bar peaks, you're headed in the right direction. When it's flat, you're following a cold trail. Line the target up with the smallest circle for the best scan.
So R2 to
Okay,
scan.
you got it. Now just take a scan. Way to go!
Okay. I completely forgot how this game works.
Red signifies a hidden ghost. Green indicates an environmental paranormal anomaly. Blue means an active sample.
Yeah. Getting closer.
Getting warmer.
This thing here, right here.
You're red hot.
There he was.
Careful. Getting a good scan is sort of like taking a good snapshot. Careful.
So awesome, man. I love Ghostbusters so much, and this game really nails it, huh?
We better get a scan. Whoa.
Look at that.
Definitely been
It says
here.
Doritos. I think newer versions of this game don't actually say Doritos. I think it says nothing. I think it's just a blank. Later in the game, we're gonna find out. We're gonna even see a truck, I think, that says Doritos. But I think because of copyright reasons, I think the name's been taken off in later copies of the game. I could be wrong, but I've seen Let's Plays, and it really doesn't say Doritos. I'll have a check on this one. Look, it's Albert Wesker! Oh, looks like some troll showed up. Time to bring out the... Really? There's trolls here? Fair. Okay, fair enough. Ah, man. Looking for ghosts. Shut up or I'll zap you.
Hey, watch it!
Where do we go from here? Do I need to again? Yeah, I probably need to scan again. Oh, there we go.
An active sample is something you can collect, like a cursed artifact. We get paid extra for everything we scan and collect. Then we roll it back into research and development. The extra funds let us experiment with new equipment and offensive
enough.
technologies, which in turn you get to wear on your back to test. Remember, you can always review techniques, tutorials, and equipment in your online Ghostbusters field manual. It's all accessible from your PKE meter.
Yeah, where do we go from here, Ray?
Ray! I don't feel good!
Peter, come in. You okay? Uh-oh, man down. We've got a man down. Go, go, go!
Oh, I sprint.
Come on, shake a leg. You can move faster than that, can't you?
Whoops,
Double
oops,
time,
I
get
dropped the
it?
trap. I dropped the trap, where is it? Ah, that's how you run, you hold 0.
He's been slimed again. Hustle over here and help him up, will you?
How did this even happen? I was covering the
He got
elevators.
slimed again.
That mutant Stromboli snuck up on me. God, funked the fire again.
When one of us goes down, we always help each other out. It's all about teamwork.
Oh no, my friend. That was back in the pre-sliming era. Right now, it's all about payback.
You guys need to get down here immediately. Our living science experiment is tearing apart the lobby, and he's not alone.
More ghosts? But we gave this hotel a clean bill of health 5 years ago.
New people die every day.
I
Call the
find that
elevator,
so funny.
Junior.
It says new people die every day. Yes, because when we die, we actually turn into slime beings and disgusting monsters and giant marshmallow guys. So funny, yeah? I love it.
All right, Slimer. You've had your fun. The elevator's off limits. Egon, come in. I think we're stuck in the elevator. We need some help.
Think we're stuck. Well, let's see. Think we're stuck? Think we're stuck? Think we're stuck? Ray, you guys good with officially stuck in the elevators? Show of hands.
Here it comes.
I just noticed the badge says rookie on my character.
Kill it, Ray!
Need a hand?
You always fail at Ray, don't you?
It's a very 90s hotel, if you ask me. It's very 90s-ish. Even the elevators and stuff. There he is. Oh my goodness, more ghosts. Let's get him.
Never mind the onion head for now. The ghost with the red cap is fighting hard to hold stasis.
Come on, he's a New York bellhop. Just
He's throwing bags at me. Lavish. Let's get one first. Where they go? Just keep in mind, buddy. Gotcha. Slam me now.
That's trouble.
Where's the trap? Where's the trap, buddy?
Love you.
You go inside. You go inside. Get in the trap. Get in there. It's such a satisfying feeling.
That's
Get up.
done.
Pick it up. Pick it up.
Keep up with it.
I don't know. Okay, let's try. Let's try to bust the same ghost.
Oh no. No crossing the street. Hold him.
Let's use the same trap. Let's use the same
Hey,
trap.
watch!
Can we use the same trap? Yes, we can. Okay.
That convulsive PK shockwave really stirred the nest.
Okay,
Man,
pick
this
up the
lobby
trap.
is so wrecked.
Can we please call Winston and tell him his night off is officially ended?
Hey, Emily! Is that how you pronounce your name, by the way? Is it Emily? Like,
More of them!
because the way it's spelled is different than the Emily's I know, but I was wondering. Just want to get it right. So, we're busting some ghosts. I love this game so much. Get out of there! Let's get Slimer.
Look at him! Scan him, he's not the guy.
I want to be the one that catches Slimer, not some other ghost. Uh-oh. Whoopsie. Oh my goodness. That's good.
Almost took my head off!
They took off.
They've split up.
Ray, follow me. The others are floating back upstairs. Venkman, you two pull our friend Slimer into a trap as fast as you can. There's a massive bulge in these spikes indicating this isn't just some routine clearing job.
He gets so bossy when he has an invitation.
I hate going around with a PKE meter collecting samples. This is not my job. I want to bust ghosts.
Hey now.
But apparently it's a necessity.
Honey-glazed ham.
What about you, man? Can I get in there?
There, the Alhambra Ballroom. No way he could pass that up.
Absolutely not. You can't go in. The Rodriguez bar mitzvah is set to start in half an hour.
I'll bet the beef brisket is today's special.
And you've
Awesome.
done
From now
quite
on, you're
enough
Emily.
already. I'm sure the thing will just go away. I'm willing to risk it. You're not going in there.
That's all we needed to hear. All right, we're out. Coffee time, everyone. Service has been declined beyond this point.
Oh man, I love Peter Venkman so much.
Sounds like the Alhambra's off limits.
The schnutz, you say?
I saw your tweet, Emily, about
Nobody signs
getting
people
Code Veronica X.
twice.
Are you gonna stream it?
Gets away with
Come
it.
on, stream it. So we can
Peter.
backseat me and
Remember
Matt.
the Ellis Island incident?
You know I can't be playing for this for long as well. I have plans today.
You bring your apron? We're gonna take a little shortcut through
Yeah, that's the
kitchen.
thing, you see? Because he knows what a mess we made in the first movie, so he's not letting us in the
Humber should
ballroom.
be
So we're
right
gonna
through
we're gonna go through the
Hello?
back. We're still getting in the room, but through the back, through the
Yeah.
kitchen. It's so funny. And the kitchen is a mess. That wasn't me, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, time to check out the
Champion.
ghosts.
You leave.
It's a good tool to look up to see if. Whoa, 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 whoa! This is not me. Whoa, 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 whoa! Okay. It's a good tool to find where the ghosts are, but I hate taking snaps and collecting samples with this thing.
All right, don't touch
we
the
go.
slime. It's
Nice scan.
slimy and it's extremely dangerous.
Whoa!
Yeah, you'd think I'd be used to that stuff by now.
I'm sorry if you keep hearing traffic outdoors. I just like to go over and I
Nothing to
don't
worry about.
bother
Most kitchens have self-starting
closing
pilots.
it. Whoa, 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 whoa!
Heads up.
I'm just gonna keep playing till I encounter Stay Puft at least. This game is like off, not officially, but it's like the third movie. What if I do this? I managed to scan it.
Okay, I dare you. Everything
Alright.
but the kitchen sink.
They take off. Oh, stop here.
This is why I eat out of the can.
What do you say? Is that why I eat out of a can?
All right, check this out. To trap them, you've got to grab them, and to grab them, you use
I
the
know
other
what you're
half
gonna
of
say. I can
proton
do
on
this.
the capture string.
There you go, and I can move it.
That's
You
all
probably
there is
need
to
get
it.
out of my
You
way.
just throw this junk anywhere.
Look how
We don't
strong
stick
my
around.
proton string is. I'm not even looking at chat. I'm just enjoying this game so much. Your kitchen does that. Okay, you may have to. You might want to call me and bust some ghost and check it with my thing. All right, this is just mustard. Apparently, it's not. It's not slime from a ghost. I loved the second Ghostbusters. Some people complain it's not as good as the first one. Maybe it's not, but it's still a solid movie. But yeah, this is actual continuation of the story. Let's go, Peter. Dr. Venkman, sorry. He gets pissy if I don't call him Dr. Venkman. He likes to be called Dr. Venkman, especially in front of the ladies. Oh, you see, we made it to the ballroom anyway, to the
You
back
know,
door.
I thought that guy said Rodriguez.
And it's a nice room, but we're gonna mess it up. I know I am. There he is. Oh, is this the same room? It's the same room he was in the first movie.
Would it kill him to mix in a green salad once in a while? I'm gonna take backup. Blast him until he's dazed.
Alright,
and then
so
throw your
apparently
capture
Dr.
string.
Venkman's gonna leave it in my hands. It's okay. I'd love to do the honors. You're mine, Slimer. Freaking mine. I'm gonna make a mess of the room though. Oh, he's helping me. I see his string now. He's helping me. You are mine. Don't make a mess of this. I finished this game back in 2009, so pretty much it feels like a blind playthrough anyway now. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? He's hiding. He went into something. Where'd he go? He's hiding. With an entity. I hear him. Why don't I see him? Oh, Slimer, you are so busted if I find you. Ah, he's back! There he is! It's dangerous to cross the street.
Good, good. That's it, buddy. You've got the little monster breathing height.
Again, he's hiding. What's going on in chat? I'm not looking at chat. I'm so rude. No, senpai. It's better if you speak English because I want to understand you, buddy. I want to understand you. You know what I also want from you, senpai? To notice me. Crap. Oh, I got you now. I got you now. Hang on. I almost got you. Where'd you go? Again. Oh, I got you! I got you, Slimer!
No, try to hold him
Let's
still.
throw a trap.
You gotta wear him down.
And I've got you, buddy. Prepare to be taken in.
Sorry,
Get in there!
creator of a butt for
Mine, sucker. Get in. Such a satisfying feeling. Trapping. You are mine, buddy.
Yeah, perfect. See? That's a big wow. I don't teach that pitiful goop sack to slime, Pete Venkman. And by extension, you.
It's okay, buddy. It's okay.
Perhaps a place sitting disturbed. Still pretty much ready.
It's okay,
Full
senpai.
go
The thing
from
is,
Rodriguez.
you haven't noticed.
Yeah,
So
Revolver.
cool. The thing is, people
What have you
get pissy
done?
if you speak
The
your
guests are
language.
arriving in 15 minutes.
They're okay with you
What
misspelling a
seems
few
to
words,
be
it's fine.
your
But they would be not
problem?
okay if you don't speak
Thanks
English.
to
So it's
me
fine.
and my
I won't be
new
okay with that.
exclusively assigned recruit here, the festivities can now proceed
Yeah.
in an entirely
Senpai is cool.
ghost-free environment. So, you're welcome, huh? And, the Rodriguez, Alachaim, from the Ghostbusters.
Let's speak to him. Let's see if he has to say anything.
Oh, my lovely hotel.
Oh, come on. I'll zap you with my... Did you guys see that? Oh, I don't know if that's happened.
This is terrible.
It's a good username. It's a good username.
Nice of you guys to join us. You grab the little spud?
Ray, we need to have a heart to blob talk.
Why is he shooting?
We are going to discount issues when he's a teenager.
Uh-oh. Heads up, your initiation is over. Now give us a hand. We've got a couple of really persistent troublesome spirits.
Oh, I got it, buddy. Don't worry. Whoa, did you see that? The silver flew in my face. Let's get shot out first. Get you, buddy.
Careful, we almost crossed stream. To the right!
Need some help.
It's on your left.
I keep getting hit. I think we crossed the streams, that's why. Oh, come on.
Look behind you.
Aim high!
Oh, I got you, buddy. Oh, I
Nice
got you, buddy. Oh, I got you, Mr. Ghost.
Trap work.
Nice. Trap. And... Get in there. Get in there, buddy. Mr. Ghost. Gotcha.
Whites in their eyes, kid. Turn around.
Looks like you're on your own, buddy,
yeah?
now. Mr. Ghost. Oh my goodness.
Gotta move.
Thing is with the overheating, and I have to keep an eye on...
Ooh, close one.
Oh, I can't jump over, apparently. I'm gonna get you, buddy.
Aim
Ooh,
high!
looks like I got me another one.
That's a nice start. Got a piece of that one. Ow!
Watch it, streams are crossing.
Bravo!
Trap, he's unconscious, come on, quickly! Because apparently ghosts get unconscious too. Man! Getting in now.
Scan for the god now.
Hold him now.
See? That wasn't such a chore, now was it?
If for the low price of 150 you can change. What? Why would you want to change your username? No. I think you can't change your username. I think it's very easy to change your username. No. Am I wrong?
Who is going to pay for all of this?
No need to worry, sir. As you know, the mayor rode to office on a strictly pro-Ghostbusters platform. And we now invoice the city directly for all captures and eliminations. And unhaunted New York is a tourist-friendly New York.
No. The damage.
The mayor and the city have taken out an extensive insurance policy as well, so you're covered.
Honestly, I'm sensing some hostility here. Perhaps we should just leave the ghosts here if that's what you would prefer, sir.
No. No. But please, be discreet.
Discretion is our professional watchword.
Heads up!
Whoa! Where did he come from?
I suppose we should go after him, unless you want to discuss it first.
Cadet, go with Dr. Spengler. Check out the Angry Fisherman.
You see, Senpai is a cook. He knows how to cook. So do I, actually. Good, buddy. It's good that you learn how to cook. Where are we going? Are you gonna hang out here? Oh, crap, I threw a trap again. Let's do it again.
This way. Looks like he's drifting upstairs. Can't get across there. Move. Take the lead. Take this trap.
Okay, so I'm on my own now. We got separated, you see. Well, the least you can do is at least stand by the stairs. No, I'm on my own completely. So this is a fisherman ghost, apparently.
See what's here.
I hear him, but I don't see him. Hey, let's take a picture. Let's go. Who's your brother, Senpai? No, I don't think I know who your brother is. You see, this ghost is now creating an illusion. So it looks like the...
Hey, is there a bathtub overflowing up there?
More specifically, a 7,000 cubic meter bathtub filled with protonically charged seawater. And, sea cucumbers?
I noticed that the sea cucumbers, as soon as you approach them, or whatever they are, they close, look, as soon as you approach them, look. Interesting. Anyway, yeah, so this is an illusion. Because he's a fisherman ghost or whatever. Everything is turning into sea-related stuff. Oh, there you are.
Ray, did you tell the recruit about semi-dimensional rift entities? This type of highly agitated environment is a likely manifestation point.
What the what? The lamp became alive. Oh, look at that. Look at that. No, I'm not gonna get in there. I need to find another way around. Oh, come on. Get out of my way. Nothing here. Sometimes I get the stream icon on the side. I don't know what that means. Whoa, there he is. Can I go through here? No, I don't think so. Whoa, 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 whoa! More lamps, more chandeliers. Are there any more? So I can call you Atsuko? Is that right? More chandeliers. My goodness, so many chandeliers. I'm being slimed. No, mission failed. Reload checkpoint. Really, it's gonna take that much to load? I have to wait through a cutscene now. This is where I'm gonna get a copyright claim. Right, this bit. Proton Pack is not a toy. It can cause extensive property damage. I know. I know. Well, it takes a while to load back the mission. Oh, I have to do this again? Seriously?
Is there a bathtub overflowing up there?
More specifically, a 7,000 cubic meter bathtub filled with protonically charged seawater. And, sea cucumbers? Ray, did you tell the recruit about semi-dimensional rift entities? This type of highly agitated environment is a likely manifestation point.
Oh, come on. Because they're so small and there's water everywhere and I can't really see them. It is a cool game, Senpai. It's a oh, sorry, I mean Tsuko. It is a very cool game. It really is. It really is. I love it so much. I only played it once, back in 2009. Nothing here. Long way around. Let's go again. Next time I'll remember to close the window before I stream, because the traffic outside is a mess. It's noisy. Okay. Ooh, there you are. This game is on the PS3. And I think it's available on the Xbox 360 and on PC as well. There they are. Oh, come on, get out of my way! I have to take the long way around again. I don't know how much it is though. I have no idea how much it costs. Ooh, more ghosts! More. Oh, come on, they're everywhere! I don't even know if I'm hitting them! It's so small! I think I got him. Oh man, I have to get this guy. Get out of my way, couch. Uh-oh. Look, everything's drained now. Well, everything back to run, but the water's gone now. Capture the fisherman ghost. We're gonna capture him. Because you, Mr. Fisherman, are causing some serious trouble here. Whoa! I just got out of the way while I'm shooting my proton pack. My proton stream. My feet so funky. They have been slammed apparently. Gonna get you, buddy. This game is probably better than the upcoming movie. Ooh, you see how I dodge? That is how you dodge, buddy. Oh, I almost caught you, buddy. You took off. Ah! Yeah, I got reinforcements now. Woohoo!
Good work. Are you alright?
Nice going. You might really be the right person for this job.
The couch is
yes,
poor
you have
indeed.
destroyed a significant section of a 5-star New York hotel in just under 3 hours. Your mother and I are so proud. Aren't we, Egon?
He's got something. Let's track
Well,
it down.
so if he's a fan of Ghostbusters, he will definitely love this game, because this game is a love letter to Ghostbusters fans. Oh,
Egon?
that's...
Ray? This is something new for us, isn't it? First one I've ever seen. Some type of highly focused anthropomorphic animator. An entity which attracts familiar objects to itself so it can materially manifest its rage.
It's generating a field of attraction so strong that it's able to reassemble its component parts.
Let's try again. Keeping a safe distance. Ooh, but he jumped. No, not me! Why do you have to go attack me? Go attack Ray.
Scanning.
Oh,
To the right!
he's chasing me. The monster's chasing me. Why me?
Look behind you.
What the heck? Harry wants me now. It's
Losing strength. Keep tearing it
help
down.
me! Somebody help me! Thank you very much. You see, the proton pack is very heavy, so I can't get myself up on my own.
You're hurting him. That's some serious bad.
You are done. You are so done. He's gone. No, he's not. More. Okay,
Wrangle
got
it out.
Now what? Yes, I did. But what
Wrangle
do I
it.
do? I got this kill.
Wrangle that. Wrangle it away.
This.
Wrangle that.
That's not working. Let's try this.
Wrangle it!
Alright.
Yank it out of there.
Wrangle
I'm
it!
pressing the wrong slam button, my goodness. There he is. It was you all along, huh? We got you, Pony. Trap you.
You've got him on the rope.
Aim high! Capture beam activated!
Good work.
Nice work!
Time to get up.
All yours.
Let's go.
You're almost there!
Get in there. Get in there.
I thought I didn't like knives and forks flying at me, but when knives
Is it
and forks
loud?
become a big angry
Is it too
giant,
loud? Oh, I'm sorry about that.
that's really
Oh,
me not
I'll fix that in a second. Hold on. Oh, sorry about
Happens
that.
every day, right?
Okay, hold on a second. Settings. Oh my goodness, I had no idea. But I think it's the streams
Anybody
that
here
are
from
loud.
Zetamore?
Guys, I'm right outside. And so is something else.
Gosh, we've missed you, partner. Glad you could make it. But first, how was Aida? Well, we had to make do with this new specimen here.
I've been trying to get here for over 4 hours, Peter. Traffic is a little blocked right now.
Wait. I know that thud.
Winston,
What's it
what
like
do you
now? Is
see
it okay?
It's big. It's clean and soft and white. And you all aren't gonna like it.
No, this is not possible. Not here, not now, not again. Wasn't me this time, I swear it.
You see, he said it wasn't me this time, I swear, because the first time it was Ray's fault.
What do we
But
have
now
to
it's
do
not
to stop
apparently.
that cheap confection?
It's still a little loud.
Weren't
I
you
don't know
going
how
to
I'm
finish up the install
I really
of the
don't know how I'm
Super
gonna.
Slammer
Is it
today?
overpowering my voice? Is it like
Super Slammer?
you can't hear me talk because it's so
Sounds
loud?
untested.
Because I could
Tacky
I
and
could increase the
exciting.
volume.
I'm in.
I could increase the volume of my
Against the minions of
microphone,
a god,
and
that
maybe
was
you can
never
just
the
adjust the volume from
But
your
in
end
theory,
then.
I suppose it could.
But if it's
But a
overpowering
Muon trap
me,
of this capacity has never
it's
been
still a
used or
little
even
loud.
tried before.
Settings.
And why would that stop guys
Audio.
that don't
See,
know any
desktop
better?
boost is down
Yeah,
to
man. What are
one.
we?
I can't really
The FDA?
lower it more than one.
We'll have to clear a
apparently.
path through this mess first.
But I can increase my own volume to 6 perhaps, see if it makes any difference perhaps, I don't know. I want to check it myself, actually. Hold on. I want to see how I sound like. Bear with me. It does overpower my voice, does it? So what I can do is I can increase the volume of my microphone. So I overpower the game. So it's going to be very loud because the game is loud. I am loud. So then you can just you guys can adjust the volume from your computer. But I think it's the only way around, to be honest with you. Let's see. I can perhaps increase it by one more number. Right now it's 6, so I'm going to go up to 7. Apply. Okay, so I'm quite loud now, I think. It's overpowering you, but if you increase your own volume, it will be louder. Yes, it will be louder, but I cannot lower the game's volume anymore, apparently. So, but then, I mean, if I overpower the game, then you can just lower the volume from your end, you know? So as long as you can hear me, not the game, you know? Unless that's what you... I'm assuming that's what you want. Maltese, I don't think I said hi to you properly, Malteser, so I'm very, very sorry. Are you really Maltese? Are you really a Malteser like me? I am a Malteser. You probably know that already, though. Look at the Sedgwick Hotel. Yeah, so we're outside now, and there's the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. Okay, Senpai. My goodness, I keep calling you Senpai because that's the username I see. I'm very, very sorry. But it's a nice username. I love it. But it's okay. Take your time, buddy. I don't think I'll be here when you come back, to be honest with you, because I gotta go too. He's laughing. Stay Puft is laughing.
Get moving! His residue is animated.
Oh my goodness, his residue. This is his residue.
Somehow hatching these mini minions from himself. Well, there's paranormal physiology for you. Always something to make your stomach turn.
Come on, guys.
Nabble
Just some
little
marshmallows.
yonkers. They look so tasty. Blast them!
Go. I wish the stream was longer, but Whoa, 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 he's throwing cars at us.
More trouble!
Take care, buddy. Maltese, there's Maltese. It's a nice username,
Multiple
actually.
class 5 FRBs.
Love it, man.
Ray,
Love it. Let's
prepare the
capture
Muon
these
trap.
ghosts.
Switching on
Let's
the muon
capture him. Maybe I'll be quiet when I'm busting ghosts because I know it gets really loud.
That's a lot of whatever they are. Austin! Anybody? Help me!
Oh no, no crossing the street.
Hold him now!
I've got a hold on it! Nobody! Oh yeah, I'm like the Super Slammer.
So there's a ghost trap at the top of the vehicle. That's awesome.
Ray? No, not if we're gonna catch up to our old friend.
I failed. Oh my goodness. Hey, Inferno! I know, no, I can't lower the volume, the game volume anymore. This is so annoying. I'm sorry. I'm trying my best, but I just can't. I'm gonna try again. Hold on.
Quick!
Everybody's been saying that, and it's annoying me. I can't really go lower. It's so annoying. I can't. Desktop boost multiple. Maybe I can go 0.5. I don't know if it lets me. Apparently it does. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna make a difference. I put in 0.5. I don't know if it makes a difference though. If it doesn't work, I'll try 0.2. I don't know. I'm trying my best.
Anybody?
Reload checkpoint. Let's try again. This is what I hate the most about. It's not so bad. Yeah, it's a very loud game. So the only way around it is me overpowering the game, which gets really loud. But then you just adjust the volume from your side. Sorry about that. Trying my best. I really gotta go. I'm gonna try one more time, attempt this mission, and then I'll have to call it quits for the day. It's so annoying. I have to be places. And this is what I hate the most about the game. I have to wait through this loading screen each time I die. It's like a punishment. And this is what I'm gonna get copyright sued again, probably. I wanna dress up as a Ghostbuster in Comic-Con. Who's gonna help me build a proton pack and a trap? Oh, okay. Is it already not clear, or should I leave it as it is?
Wasn't me this time, I swear it.
Pull it together, Ray. What do we have that can
Ghostbusters are
stop
awesome.
that cheap confection?
Ray, weren't you going to finish up the install of the Super Slammer today?
The Super Slammer? Sounds untested. Tacky and exciting. I'm in. But will it work?
Against the minions of a god? That was never the intent. In theory, I suppose it could. But a muon trap of this capacity has never been used or even tried before.
Uh-huh. And why would that stop guys that don't know any better?
Yeah, man. What are we? The FDA?
We'll have to clear a path through this mess first.
They're coming, I see them, they're coming.
Get moving! This residue is animating.
Lordy, help us! Stay Puft is somehow hatching these mini-minions from himself. Well, there's paranormal physiology for you. All the something stuff. Nettlesome little yarpers. Yep, they look so darn tasty. Blast them!
You know what the best part is about this game? I mean, not the best part. Some games, it feels like that the monsters are only hunting you when it's Team 4. Did you ever guys notice that? Like, for example, when I'm playing Uncharted. With me, Lena, Sully, you know, and the guys are always shooting after me. And even now, the monsters, like, they're only coming for me. He's freaking drawing cars.
Hey, more trouble!
More coming, I think. Yeah. Oh, 3 ghosts now. Let's catch them.
Multiple Class 5 FRBs, inbound!
Ray, prepare the muon trap.
Switching on the muon trap.
Oh yeah, favorite song. Switched on move.
Gotcha! And it's time to get into the Super Slammer. Because there's a ghost trap at the car now, apparently. Get in there! Slam you. There you go. 1.
Oh, yeah.
Peter needs a medic. Where is he? Peter! Peter!
Throw all the ghosts you capture at the slammer.
But I can't. I'm gonna just be fighting this guy. Oh, everybody needs a medic now. Come on, man. Where's everybody? Where are they? There they are. Come on, guys. Come on.
Help me!
Come on, let's bust some ghosts. And try to be careful next time.
Ray.
Oh, man.
No, not if we're gonna catch up to our old friend.
Get in the trap, buddy. Gotcha.
I dreaded you when you were alive. You're worse.
Oh man, he needs a medic again. Can't you be more careful, Peter?
Get that one on the books!
If I don't slam him, he will escape my stream, so get in there.
What? Big soap shortage in the afterlife, guys? Don't get them change. You're only encouraging them.
Venkman, we need to have a talk about tolerance. Give it to him! Bravo! Creep! Over here! Scan it! Yo! You play hardball, Rook!
There's the Doritos truck, look.
Detecting
There's the Doritos truck.
significant.
That's actually branded Doritos, yeah?
What is that? Am I hearing
Sounds better. Oh, okay, that's good. Can we get leftovers from use from Proton packs? I wish we could. Uh-oh.
Class 6, enemy. Multiple contacts.
Grab him and slam him, noob!
Oh, that's how it's done.
Give a scan on that.
Ghosts and gargoyles.
That was a game. Ghosts and Gargoyles. A game we played when I was in the seminary.
Ghosts and gargoyles. What dink game didn't you play? Do you have your 8-sided dice with you?
Look out! Above you! Behind you!
Scan it for the guy, now! They built that one in Pittsburgh.
Oh, great! A whole missile! Ow! No! Wham! On the right!
Somebody help Winston. I'm catching a ghost here.
Now bring it in.
Come on, get in there. There we go. Okay, Winston still needs a medic.
I'm down! Light him up!
Hey, over here, little help? Yo, little help?
Hello, Luca. Welcome to the stream. Sorry you just joined, but I'm about to end it. Sorry.
What do we do?
It's not vaporizing fast enough. There's too much of it.
What's going on here?
Damn, we're starting to make good time.
And I thought it couldn't become any harder to get around Manhattan. Any ideas?
Well, we're not getting through that way now.
Hey, cut through this alley. We might be able to head off Stay Puft.
We need to find a way around this mess.
See, it's either you or Ray or Winston.
I've had just about enough of the marshmallow parade. Let's go see if we can find us a shortcut. You with me?
So as I was saying earlier about the Doritos truck, I think later versions of this game actually don't contain these trucks with Doritos logos on them. If I'm not mistaken, I'm not so sure. I need to look this up, but apparently the trucks in later versions of the game are blank. Because this is a registered brand. I mean, anyway, let's go through here now. I love this game so much.
Spooky and
no, this is supposed to be scary, but look at that, they're not letting me through.
Haunted laundromat?
Alright guys, it's 1:15. I'm gonna have to end it here. As much as I hate myself for doing that, but I really have to go places today. I am so busy. I'm a busy boy. Alright guys, I have to call it quits. Thank you so much. If this is your first time being here, I know there was a couple of people watching earlier. I don't know now because I hide the amount of views. I don't want to see how many people are watching. It puts me under pressure. So if it's your first time here, feel free to subscribe. Alright, because I like to put little events that show when I'm going to be streaming. So thank you so much for hanging out with me, everyone. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!